Are you there, Charlie Bear? Oh. Will you help me call him? Ready? Are you there, Charlie Bear? There you are, Charlie. Hello. What are you doing outside? Are you going to come inside and say hello? Have you been collecting things in the garden? Are you going to show us? Oh yes, put the things you found on that towel, Charlie. Ooh, that's a nice leaf. And that pebble looks very smooth. And I like the funny shape of that stick. Wow! You found a bird's nest. A bird's home is called a nest. Did you find it on the ground? It must be an old one that has fallen out of a tree. If a bird was still using it, then it would be up in a tree with eggs inside. Or if the eggs had hatched, then baby birds instead. I see! Is Frozo your baby bird, Charlie? I don't think baby birds play with toy cars, Charlie. Or any toys, actually. A mother bird knows what baby birds want. Oh, you think that you could look after a baby bird, do you, Charlie? Oh, yes, this is pretty countryside. So peaceful, too. Whoa! Charlie, you gave me a fright. That was a bumpy landing. Are you okay, Charlie? What are you supposed to be? Are you a chicken? Or a duck? Oh, what about a goose? An ostrich? Oh, all right, sorry. Oh, look at baby bird Frozo. Oh, I know. You're a mother bird, aren't you, Charlie? Oh, and your baby bird wants something. I wonder what he could want. Have you worked out what it is, Charlie? Oh, your leaf, pebble and funny-shaped stick. No, I don't think your baby bird wants any of those things, Charlie. No, he doesn't want you to do a silly dance for him either. I think he wants food. He wants food, Charlie. He's hungry. No, baby birds don't eat carrots. Or broccoli. Or watermelon. Baby birds don't eat any of those things. Baby birds mainly eat insects and worms. I know, yuck. So you'll have to find a worm for your baby bird, Charlie. You are the mother bird after all. Charlie, your baby bird is hungry. Other birds do this all the time. Come on, Charlie, you can do it. Oh dear, that was very nice to the worm, but your baby bird is still hungry, Charlie. What are you going to do? Thank goodness, the real mother bird is here. It's amazing what you can do with your imagination. Don't you want to be a mother bird anymore, Charlie? Bye-bye, little Charlie Bear. Bye-bye, everybody. Are you there, Charlie Bear? Where is he? Will you help me call him? Ready? Are you there, Charlie Bear? Oh, what's that? Oh, it looks like paper. Here's another one. Oh, there you are, Charlie. What are you drawing? Is it a building? Oh, a tree with a dog on top. Oh, I know. It's a mouse riding a bicycle around a maze. It was a drawing of Rivet. Right, I knew that. Charlie, don't give up. Come on, do another picture. Draw something you really like. It could be something real or something that you imagine. You can do a picture of anything you want. Good stuff, Charlie Bear. So what are you going to draw? Ah, you're going to draw a window. Oh, you're going to draw something outside the window. Right. What a lovely park. There'll be plenty of lovely things to draw here, Charlie. That will make a fantastic drawing. Don't forget, Charlie, there's no need to get annoyed just because the drawing isn't turning out how you thought. It doesn't have to look exactly like the flower. Oh, right, you're concentrating. Sorry, won't say another word. Oh, look, there's Ballerina. Sorry. Oops, be careful. B, get it? It's the B. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, dear. Are you okay, Charlie? Never mind, Charlie. Pictures can change in unexpected ways. Stop! Don't scribble over it, Charlie. Show it to me, please. I love it. I really love it. It's beautiful. Charlie, don't you believe me? I love that it doesn't look exactly like the flower, and it doesn't have to. It's a drawing, Charlie, not a photo. Oh, you're drawing. Follow that roller skater. There she goes, Charlie. Over here. Charlie, this way. Woo! Isn't Ballerina a good skater, Charlie? guess chasing isn't allowed here. What? Drawing pictures isn't allowed either? Oh, no. Don't give up, Charlie. Don't go. But you're so good at drawing. There must be something you can do. Charlie, what have you thought of? That's the same as the sign. Charlie, you clever bear. Well done, Charlie Bear. Well done for not giving up on your drawing. It's amazing what you can do with your imagination, Charlie. Oh, yes, that one too. Is that all of your pictures? What are you drawing now, Charlie? A picture of me? No one wants to see what I look like. I'm just a regular I don't look like a flower with a kitten face. That's silly. It is. It's funny too, but still. I know. Draw another picture of me, Charlie. Go on, please. Oh, yes. Bye-bye, everyone. Let's see how silly Charlie can make me look this time. Are you there, Charlie Bear? Charlie? Will you help me call him? Ready? Are you there, Charlie Bear? Oh, there you are, Charlie. What are you doing with that sock? Are you going to put on some shoes? Ah, you've just taken off your boots. Then you're going to do some washing. A sock puppet! That's what you wanted the sock for. Fantastic! Hello there, sock puppet. Hello. Has Charlie introduced you to all his toy friends yet? That's Midge, and Rivet, Ballerina, and Niblet, of course, Caramel, and last but not least, Frozo. Has Sock Puppet got any friends of his own, Charlie? He's friends with your other paw. Oh, I see. You're going to make another sock puppet for him to be friends with. Ah, yes. Your washing basket is a good place to look for a sock. Or some shorts. You must have another sock, Charlie. Socks come in pairs, one for each foot. All you need to do is have a really good look for it. Aha! You're a detective, Charlie. A sock detective. Are you here to solve the case of the missing sock? Oh, yes. Nothing will escape your notice, because you're Charlie Bear, sock detective. There are your clothes on the washing line, Charlie. T-shirt, shirt, trousers, sock, shorts, but hold on a minute, sock! You found the missing sock! That was easier than I thought. Huh? The sock has gone missing again. Someone must have taken it. Those must be the footprints of whoever took your sock. Follow those footprints, Charlie. No one is there. T-shirt, shirt, space where your trousers were, space where your sock was, shorts. Now your trousers have gone missing as well. This is terrible. Still no one there. This is most strange, Charlie. Who is taking all your washing off the washing line? This is such a mystery. But it's a mystery that Charlie Bear, sock and trouser detective, can solve. That's right. Now, whoever it is must be here somewhere. Have you found them? The rest of your clothes, all the washing, it's gone. First your sock, now everything else. Oh, Charlie, what will you do now? Did you see anyone there, Charlie? How will you be able to make a friend for your sock puppet if you don't have a sock? Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. You're not giving up being a detective, are you, Charlie? Maybe you should look behind you, Charlie. Frozo must have been bringing your clothes off the washing line because they were all nice and dry. Oh, that's nice. It's amazing what you can do with your imagination. Yes, well done, Charlie. Now you can make a friend for your sock puppet. Oh, after it's been washed and cleaned. Yeah, that's a good idea. Bye-bye, little Charlie Bear. Bye-bye, sock puppet. Bye-bye, everybody. Are you there, Charlie Bear? Charlie? Oh. Will you help me call him? Are you there, Charlie Bear? There you are, Charlie. What are you making out of that bendy pipe cleaner? Oh, a duck. I mean, a fish. A carrot is what I meant. No? It's a circle, which could be an orange, or a sun, or a football, or a dinner plate, or a... Aha! It's a basketball hoop. I knew it. I was going to say that. Basketball can take a while to learn, Charlie. Okay, time to try and get the ball in the hoop. Oh, unlucky, Charlie. But you'll get it in next time. Next time, Charlie, you can do it. Not to worry, Charlie. You'll get better with practice. And then when you do get the ball in the hoop, it'll make you feel so good. It just might take a little time, that's all. That didn't seem right, Charlie. Why don't you practice doing it properly? It'll be a lot more fun that way. But isn't it boring getting it in every time without even really trying? You think it's fun, okay. Wow! A real basketball court, Charlie. That's a real proper basketball. And you're wearing real basketball boots too. Are you ready to play? Hey, Midge is ready to play basketball as well. Ah, it's going to be one-on-one basketball, Charlie. You versus Midge. Are you both ready? Okay. Oh, Midge seems to know what he's doing. You'll have to be good to get past him, Charlie. Oh, good move, Charlie. Yes! Good shot, Charlie Bear. You leapt up and blocked Midge's shot. That's incredible. Amazing. Unbelievable. Where did you learn how to play like that? You're a super basketball expert, Charlie. You really are. Oh, Midge got you that time, Charlie. Go, Midge! Oh, bad luck, Midge. You'll have to get a lot closer to take a shot, Charlie. You can't get it in from there. No one could get it in from there. Wow! How did you do that? You were absolutely miles away. Oh, good shot. Oh, and another one. And another one. And another. Well, there's a surprise. It's like you can't even miss the hoop anymore, Charlie. Oh, this is just ridiculous. It's too easy now, isn't it? It's got so boring. Midge is asleep. And even you are not having much fun now, are you, Charlie? Oh, don't give up, Charlie. Practice takes time, remember? And when you do get it in, you'll feel so good because you got better by practicing at it. Hooray! Well done, Charlie Bear. You earned that, Charlie. I'm so proud of you. It's amazing what you can do with your imagination. Bye-bye, little Charlie Bear. Bye-bye, everybody.